All right, folks, this is a little tabletop review of the Ozarks. I'm grabbing the directions here. Electronic hand warmer. Now this thing, I'm going to tell you what, it got pretty cold this weekend out hunting, and this thing worked phenomenally well as a hand warmer. It has 3 settings on it. Where at high, you're at 140 degrees, you get 4 hours roughly. And medium is 122, you get 5 to 6. And low was 104, you get 7 to 8. Now, I pretty much just used it on low because 104 degrees as a hand warmer, gets the job done. I mean, and it lasts, for 8 hours. So the entire weekend, I wasn't running it the whole time, but I would turn it on. It turns on really quick there. That lets you know the power level. It's still it's under half, but that's 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And then you long press it, and you got right there, that's what it's set on. And then you got that, and then there's the high, and it's already warming up fast. I mean, I can already feel the warm. That 140 definitely gets up there because I did turn it on for that. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm definitely grabbing a couple of more of these. Actually, I'm thinking about grabbing 3 because these in my hand pockets on my jacket, and then putting them inside my jacket, on the inside, just to turn on at 104 with them lasting. So far I've probably ran it a total of 5 hours. Had them on for at least 5 hours of runtime. And having them inside as an alternative heat source while you're sitting out in the freezing cold. I mean, but like I said, they're light, they're not heavy. They got a USB-S. I would definitely, so far, am impressed with these. No, I believe that's also a charger right there if you needed to charge something. Because what is the battery size of this? This is a 5200 made in Cambodia. And it's got a light on here. Somehow you can turn the light on, but I'm telling you what, I'm not worried about the light. How to use as a flashlight. Quickly press button twice to turn on and off the flashlight. Ah, grasshopper. Grasshopper. Well, there we go. That is not bad. Like I said, if you're looking for an electric hand warmer, you don't want to order nothing. You want to just go to Walmart and grab these. So far, they still got a lot. I mean, the Walmarts I've been in still have a lot of these in stock. Definitely pick it up. It's worth the money right there. I think it's like $10, $8, something like that. It's not expensive. It's not expensive at all. But there you go. I think, I got the price wrong. It's like $30. And I would be like, But there you are. And there you go. Thanks for watching.